Srimannarayana. 19th sloka of 12th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Tulya ninda stutir mauni santushto yena kena chit अनिकेतः स्थिरमतिः भक्तिमान् मे प्रियो नरः। ओम। If you want to become more dear to Sri Krishna Paramatma, you have to be equally balanced in pain and pleasure, happiness and misery, honor and dishonor, and you always try to be content. Do not develop too much of attachment towards house and other properties. Keep yourself engaged in always thinking about yourself, that is Atma Dhyanam. If you do this, you will definitely become more dear to Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Krishna Paramatma saying that, Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I do want to become more dear to yourself, for which I shall keep myself balanced in pain and pleasure, happiness and misery, honor and dishonor. O Krishna, I shall try to be content always. O Krishna, I shall try not to develop too much of attachment towards house and other properties. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall try to engage myself in thinking about myself, that is Atma Dhyanam. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्म सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. శ్రీమద్భాగవతము దశమస్కంధము 10th స్కంధం 226th డే. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this, Hey Bhagavan, you are the one who will take so many avatars to come down to fulfill all the wishes of your devotees. So such avatarams, great amount of Shakti, great amount of glory. Kaha api nese mahitu avasitum manasantarena. Myself and nobody can ever imagine the great amount of glory of your avatars. Nobody can even imagine. Nobody can realize your avatars' great Shakti. Hey Bhagavan, please bless me. Nannu manninchi భవజ్జనంబులకు నానందంబు నిండించు నీ తను రూపం బిదే నా మనంబునక చింత్యం వయ్యే. ఓ శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, you have taken this small boy Swarupam. Even this Swarupam also, such small Swarupam also, I am unable to understand. My manas is not able to touch you. I cannot realize you. It is not coming to even my imagination. That is how realizing you is impossible. Bhagavan, if this small Swarupam cannot be realized by me, then what to say about your Mahavishwarupam? Nobody can realize your Vishwarupam. Your Vaibhavam, your glory, only you know that. Nobody can know that. Like that, Chaturmukha Brahma praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala Krishno Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 12th chapter, 19th sloka. Tulya Nindastutir Mauni. Santushto yena kenachit aniketaha sthiramatihi bhaktiman me priyo naraha. Tulya nindastutir mauni santushto yena kenachit aniketaha sthiramatihi bhaktiman me priyo naraha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.